Hello friends, today we are learning 6th standard maths, chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. In previous class, we seen the explanation of the basic geometrical ideas. Now today we are taking all the exercise problem one by one. So you have to be more focused now here. Question and answer both are there. Now I am explaining you one by one the first question and the 4.1 answers. The first question is, use the figure to name. Here is given a figure and we have to find out the answers of this question. The first one we have to show 5 points. In this figure you show 5 points. If you see here the answer is written 5 points are O, B, C, D, E. These are O, B, C, D, B. These all are the 5 points. 5 points. This is a point. You can write any way. You can write D, E, O, C, B or C, B, O, E, D. Any way you can write. So these are the 5 points. Now second question, a line. You have to show the line. So there are so many lines are there. So first is given here DE line. DE. Next one is given DB line. DB. Next one is given OE line. OE. Next one is given OB line. You can take OC line also. So line means what? From first point to the second point you have to take, like here is DE, DB. You can take DO also. OE. You can take OD also, OC, or you can take OB also. So these are what? Line. Now 4 rays you want to show. Ray means starting point and the ending point is not there. So here is given 4 rays. First one is OD, starting point OD. Second OE, OC and OB. Start from O and you can take anything. OE, OD, OC, OB. These are the 4 rays. Next is given 5 line segments. Line segment means between 2 points. Between 2 points, the distance is called the line segment. Between any 2 points. So you can take any 2 points. So here we can DE. Distance between this DE, it is one line segment. EO, OC, OB and OD. Or you can take DO also. You can take EB also. Between 2 points, the distance, that is called the line segment. That is called the line segment. Now next question. Next question. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Here is the line is given. On this line, A, B, C, D, 4 points are there. Now use this 4 point and you have to show 12 different ways. 12 different ways. How you can show? You can show AB, AC, AB, AB, AC, AB. Next, start from B, BC, BD and BD. Next, start from C, CA, CB, CD. Next, start from D, DC, DB, DB. These are the 12 possible ways you have to show the line in 12 possible ways. Take one point like AB, you take an again take AC, you take AD. Next, go on AB, BA, BC, BD. Next, go on C. CB, CA, CD. Next go on AD, DC, DB and DA. These are the 12 different with the help of 4 points. Next question. The next question is, use the figure to name. Here one figure is given, plain figure. In this figure some line segments and points are given. In plain figure some lines and some points are given. Now what we have to find? You have to first find line containing point E. If you see, here is an E. So which line containing point E? So here the first answer, a line containing E. Where is E? It is on EA. And next for EF. E is here, so you can take AE and EF. Sorry, EA or AF. AE, anyway. So where is the E? E is here, so you can write here AE and EF. Anyone. Next question. Line passing through A. Line passing through A. This is the line A. This is the line A. Which lines are passing through A? One is AE. This AE is passing through A, and next one is DE. Next one is DE. Means on a line AE and DE is there. Next, two pairs of intersecting lines. Intersecting line means cross lines. One and above one. It is called intersecting lines. This is the line and this is line. This is intersecting. This is line and this is line intersecting. So you have to write two pairs of intersecting lines. There are two pairs of intersecting lines. Two pairs of intersecting lines AB. This is AB, CO. CO. AB and CO both are intersecting. And AE and FE. AE and FE both are intersecting lines. Okay, dear. Now we will go to the next question. Now fourth question. What is the fourth question in exercise number 4.1? How many lines can pass through one given point and two given points? This is the question. In fourth question, first bit, one given point, how many lines can pass? How many lines can pass? So it is a given point A. If you see, there are so many lines are passing through one point. So you can write, what you have to write, infinite number of lines can pass through one given point. If one point is given, you can draw so many lines from that given point. Okay, the first one. Second one, two given points. If 2 points are given, so how many lines can pass? Only one line can pass from 2 points. Here is one line, sorry, here is one point, here is one point. I can draw only one line to the two given points. One given points, infinite, and two given points, only one line can pass through two given points. Next question, fifth question. Fifth question, draw a rough figure and label suitable in each of the following cases. Label and suitable means you have to give the names. What names? First one, point P lies on line AB. This symbol of line AB or line segment AB. Now, if you see it is a AB line segment or line, you have to put a point P on that line. So, anywhere you can put a point P on that line. AB is the line, you have to put P on the line. So here the P is pointing. Second one, XY and PQ intersect at M. Two lines are there. XY and PQ intersect at point. XY, PQ intersecting point M. It is a point M. You have to draw XY and PQ. The both line intersect at M. Wherever the lines are meeting, that point is what? M. This is the intersection point. Next one. Line L contains E and F but not D. One line is there. On that line you have to show E and F but not D. So D is coming out of the line and EF is on the line. This is a line L. EF on the line and D is out of the line. The D is outside of the line. Line L is there. This is the line L. Contains E and F, contains E and F, but not D. So point D you have to show out of the line, and E and F you show on the line. Next question. OP and OQ meet at O. Here they said intersection, here only meet. So you can show same figure also, no problem. So what happens here? OP and OQ means starting point of the O are same, O and O. So that's why OP and OQ meets at O. Here they say intersection and XY and PQ both are different lines. But here OP and OQ both are starting points are same. So this is the figure of that this question. This is the figure of that question. Okay? Now next. Question number 6. Consider the following figure of line MN You have to show this line. Say whether the following statements are true or false in each content of the given figure. As you see this figure, the name of the figure is given Mn. You can use QP also, no problem, but each choose Mn. So that is depend upon the question. So you can take QP also, given line QP also. On this line, some points are there. That points they are showing as a questions, and you say whether that whatever the question is there, that is true or false. Now the first question: QMONP are points on the line MN. If you see MN, all these points QMONP, these all are on that line. True or false? It is a true, because all these points are on this line. That is true. Second one, MON are point on a line segment MN. If you see line segment means between these two only, not this outside. Between this MON are on this line, between this only. Yes, they are MON. This is also true. Why? MON are point on the line segment. He is saying line segment. Line segment means starting point and ending point, between that only. Now outside, not outside. So M and N between O, so MON. So that is true. Next, M and N are in points of the line segment MN. Again they said line segment. Line segment means what? Between 2 points. M and N line segment. These both are the endpoints. Yes, they both are the endpoints. Again we are asking line segment. Segment means a line between 2 points. So here is M and N. M is the ending point of the line. N also ending point. M and N are the endpoints of the line segment MN. Yes, it is true. It is true. Next, O and N are in points of line segment OP. O and P line segment. They are asking O and N. O is there, but N is not there. N is in the between. N is in the between. So it is end point? No. He is saying that OP. So you have to see here OP. In OP, they are asking O and N are the end point. O is end point, but N is not end point. N is in the middle. So what is this? This is true? No. It is what? False. This is what? False, because N is not in the end point. It is in the middle. Next. D1 is over now. E1. M is one of the end point of line segment QO. If you see QO, if you see this QO, M is one of the end point. M is the end point of QO? Yes? No. Why? M is in the middle. It's not an end point. So M is one of the end point of segment line QO. No. So it is what? False. Because M is in the middle. Q is the end point. O is the end point. So that's why M is the middle. So it is a false. Next one. M is point on ray OP. OP is the ray. And he is asking M is the point on OP. M is the point on OP. So it is a false, because ray OP starts from OP. M is out of that ray. N is in the middle. So M is not there. So M is point on the ray OP. False. False. Because where is the M? M is out of O and P. OP starts from here. So M is not on that. N is there. M is not there. So that is a false. It is a false. Next one. Ray OP is different from ray OP. Ray OP is different than ray OP. OP and OP. Ray both. I think the question is given wrong, that it should be a Q. Let me see in the question textbook. Yeah. Dear, this is Q. Here is given OP by mistake. Ray OP is different from ray QP. It is QP. Here is wrong print. It is not OP, it is a QP. OP is here and QP is here. Both are different. Yes, they both are different too. Why? Because OP start from here and QP start from here. The Q is a bigger one that. So it is a true. They both are different. Dear, this is a Q. It's not a O. It is a Q. Ray OP is different from ray QP. I am repeating QP. It's not OP. By mistake, it is OK in a print. It is a QP. Now next, ray OP same as ray OM. OP same as ray OM. Ray OP same as ray OM. It is a true? No, it is a false. OM is in opposite to the OP. So that is not a same. It is a false. It is a false. H1. False. Next. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. OM is this side and OP is this side, and they are asking is not opposite. It is not opposite bol raha. It is a opposite. Here is saying it's not opposite, but it is a opposite. OP opposite is OP. So here is saying it's not, but it is. So that's why it is what? False. That's why it is what? False. Now last one, it is again O is not an initial point of NP and NM. NP and NM, which is not initial point O. So it is what? False. It is what? False. It is what? False. The K question not came there. Now this was exercise number 4.1. Now in next class what we'll see? We see the exercise number 4.2. So please practice this. Whatever the problems, if the questions are in a textbook, answers are shown. If you not understand, see the video and try to understand the answers. Try to understand the answers and solve the exercise number 4.1. In next video we will see the exercise number 4.2. Thank you.